Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 12 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 5 Arithmetic Progression. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some examples from exercise 5.3, question number 3, ninth. Given A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, S is equal to 192, find D. Solution: Sn is equal to n upon 2 is equal n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 192 given, and therefore 8 upon 2 into bracket 6 plus 7d is equal to 192, and therefore 6 plus 7d is equal to 192 into this you transfer on this side. So 192 into 2 upon 8 and is equal to 48, and therefore 70 is equal to 48 minus 6 is equal to 42, and hence D is equal to 6. Now, one thing you remember, when this type of examples are there, that time you concentrate on given. Whatever given, by means of given, you proceed further. Okay. Question number 10. Given L is equal to 28, L means last term, S is equal to 144, and their total 9 terms, find n. So solution: L is equal to an is equal to a9. So there are more total 9 terms. Okay, and therefore this a9 is equal to 28, and sum is given, that is also of what S9 is equal to 144. Okay, so in this case this is what important. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l, that is equal to 144 given, and therefore S9 is equal to 9 upon 2 into bracket a plus 28 is equal to 144, and therefore a plus 28 is equal to 144 into 2 upon 9. Simplify this, you will get 32, and therefore a is equal to 32 minus 28, and hence a is equal to 4. Okay. Question number 4. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Okay, so here indirectly sum is given. Only thing is what you don't know how many terms are there, that means n. So solution: given AP 9, 17, 25 with A is equal to 9 and D is equal to 8. So let number of terms be n to get a sum is equal to 636, and therefore Sn is equal to 636. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore n upon 2 into bracket 18 plus 9 n minus 1 into 8 is equal to 636, and therefore n upon 2 into bracket 18 plus 18 minus 8 is equal to 636, n into bracket 18 plus 10 is equal to, these two you transfer on this side, 2 into 636, and therefore 2n into bracket 4n plus 5 is equal to 2 into 636, and therefore 4n square plus 5n is equal to 626. Now this is a quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation to get n. So I split up minus 636 into 4 such that subtraction is equal to 5. So my two factors are 53 and 48. So and therefore 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. Make two groups. So here you take n common into bracket 4n plus 53 minus here you take 12 common. 4n plus 53 is equal to 0 and therefore 4n plus 53 first bracket and in second bracket n minus 12 is equal to 0 and therefore 4n plus 53 is equal to 0 or n minus 12 is equal to 0. And therefore n is equal to minus 53 upon 4, n is equal to 12, but this is not possible because n is natural number or what fraction is not possible and it is also negative. Therefore n is equal to 12. So hence 12 terms must be taken to give a sum of 636. Okay. Question number 5. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the numbers of terms and the common difference. Okay. Solution. In an AP, A is equal to 5, L is equal to, L means AN is equal to 45 and 5n SN is equal to 400 given. Find n and d. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket A plus L and therefore is equal to 400 given and therefore n upon 2 into bracket 5 plus 45 is equal to 400 and hence n upon 2 is equal to 50 and therefore n is equal to 16. Now n is equal to 16. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 45 is equal to 5 plus 15 into d. So 15d is equal to 40 and therefore d is equal to 40 upon 15, that is equal to 8 upon 3. So d is equal to 8 upon 3 and therefore number of terms are 16 and common difference is 8 upon 3. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.